We have a whole lot lined up for you, including news coming in regard to the Judge Cash case probe, in which now the Delhi fire chief has made his statement in regard to what really happened when they reached the residence of Justice Verma. They're saying that the fire department had found burnt notes, and those burnt notes were found at the house of Justice Verma. So that is the latest in the case. This is the Cash Cloud's justice, the Judge Cash Rao. Of course, that's become quite a flashpoint. We have Anushka joining us. Anushka, take us through this revelation that is coming about. And, it's been so many days, and now is the time when, we've always heard contradictory statements from the fire chief of Delhi. And now he's gone on to say that there were burnt notes that were found at the residence.
That's right, Divya. We did see a very controversial part played by the Delhi fire chief. He took multiple U-turns on giving the statements while he was asked about the question as to what really happened on the day when the burnt cash was found inside the residence of Justice Yashwant Verma. Right now, we're just outside his residence. We'll show you some visuals also. Today, the several members of the Bar Council of different states, 7 different states, in fact, went to the Supreme Court to meet the CJI. And, after the meeting, they did say that the CJI has agreed to listen to all of their demands. They have in fact said that the Justice Verma to withdraw all administrative work in addition to the judicial work which was already withdrawn by him, now also to set the criminal law in motion as is applicable to any other government servant, according to the report of CJ of High Court of Delhi. And somebody removed the articles from the premises on 15th and had the criminal law been sent on motion. They have also in fact asked for the accountability and transparency as to whatever happens in the higher legal authorities. They have to in fact be answerable to these kind of situation, and there should be in fact reconsideration of the recommendation that was sent that Justice Yashwant Verma should be sent to Allahabad High Court. Now that is the parent court of Justice Yashwant Verma, and the members of the Allahabad Bar Council are in fact protesting regarding this matter, saying that any person who has charge of such huge corruption on them cannot be coming to Allahabad High Court, as that is not a trash bin. And we are also seeing that several of the Bar Association members are in fact also saying that some accountability should be established here. Several questions are there which people are in fact asking answers about. They are saying as to what happened to the debris of the burnt cash that was found at Justice Yashwant Verma's residence, and why did he himself not file an FIR if he said that he had nothing to do with the cash that was found in his outhouse. So these are some questions, and the protests which are going on asking about the transparency and accountability in this matter, saying that he should not be transferred to the Allahabad High Court, and some semblance of transparency and accountability should be established in these kind of cases. Over to you.
Right, many questions being raised, and very valid questions at that, Anushka. Of course, this really comes at a time when lawyers have been on that indefinite strike. They are protesting against the transfer of Justice Verma from New Delhi to the Allahabad High Court. And like you mentioned, of course, in detail as to, the triggering effect that we are seeing. And of course, the bar associations, they're determining and asking and rather demanding that there should be accountability that needs to be fixed when it comes to judges.
That's right. We are saying that seeing that this case has in fact very rightly shook the judicial corridors of the Supreme Court. Also, we are seeing that judges are in fact right now protesting and saying that this cannot happen. Some judge who is facing such severe corruption charges cannot be sent to another a high court where people are already in fact there are piles of cases that needs to be seen. And also we are seeing the indefinite strike by the Allahabad Bar Council judges, and they are also saying that accountability should be in fact given in space. They in fact also appreciated the High Court's decision to in fact publish the 25-page report on the Supreme Court side. The 3-member committee has been in fact probing in this matter. All the members from the committee are right now staying in the Haryana Bhavan, which is in Chanakyapuri. We are also seeing that the Delhi fire chief has in fact also been summoned there to investigate upon this matter. He did played a very controversial part in this whole matter. First, he said that they did find the cash at the residence, then automatically we saw him taking U-turn on his own statement, saying that they did not in fact find the cash when they were here to douse the fire. All the first responders' phones have been in fact taken by the police department to further inquire upon this matter. Yesterday we also saw the Delhi police officials coming here at the residence of Justice Yashwant Verma to further investigate upon this matter. The Bar Council members did meet the CJI today. The CJI had assured them that they will be taking appropriate measures in this whole case. But also we are seeing that the Bar Council members are saying that proper accountability should be taken in this case. The Justice Yashwant Verma should not be allowed to practice any judicial cases, and also the administrative powers should also be taken away from him, and ED and CBI should take over this matter and see as to what all has happened and why was this matter not coming into the public light for the 1 week that we saw from 14th to 20th. That was the 6-day gap when this matter came to light in public, and several of the facts are right now also missing in this whole case. What happened to the debris of the cash that was found? Why did this matter not come in public light earlier? A transparency issue was in fact questioned, and also regarding all this matter, people were saying that judges on higher positions should be in fact be facing criminal charges according to what government servant should be facing in this whole matter.